Two-factor authentication, not working on AlphaFlow App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the AlphaFlow app, you're not alone, and the fix is usually much simpler than it seems. Most people assume the app is malfunctioning, but in reality, small issues with your phone's settings or authenticator are often to blame. Start by checking your phone's date and time settings. Two-factor authentication codes depend on accurate timing. Go to your device settings, turn on Set Automatically, and make sure your time zone is correct. Even a few seconds of difference can make your code invalid. Next, update your AlphaFlow app. Open your App Store, search for AlphaFlow, and install the latest version. Security updates often fix bugs related to two-factor authentication. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and use sync time for codes. This ensures your generated codes match AlphaFlow's server time. If you're receiving your codes via SMS and they aren't arriving, try disabling your VPN and switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Sometimes, network filters block or delay automated verification messages. If you've changed phones or lost access to your authenticator app, tap Can't Access Two-Factor Authentication. On the login page, AlphaFlow's support team will verify your identity and help you reset your phone quickly. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall the AlphaFlow app. This clears cached data that might be interfering with your login attempt. After following these steps, your two-factor authentication should work again without issues. Remember, it might seem like a hassle, but it's one of the best defenses against unauthorized access, keeping your real estate investments and financial data secure.